Tropical cyclones are powerful storms. They bring strong winds, heavy rain, and high waves. These natural phenomena are capable of reshaping coastlines and altering landscapes in a matter of hours. These storms form over warm ocean waters near the equator. The heat from the ocean fuels their intensity, making them grow stronger as they move. In Australia, they are called cyclones. The naming conventions vary across the globe, but their impact remains universally devastating. Other parts of the world call them hurricanes or typhoons. These storms are dangerous. Regardless of their name, they share the same destructive potential. They can cause major damage. The aftermath often leaves communities struggling to rebuild and recover. Houses, buildings, and infrastructure can be destroyed. The economic impact can be felt for years, affecting livelihoods and economies. Flooding is a serious risk during and after a cyclone. Water levels can rise rapidly, submerging homes and roads and posing a threat to life. Cyclones are a part of life in tropical regions. Understanding them is important. Communities must stay informed and prepared to minimize the impact. We must be prepared for their destructive power. Proper planning and timely action can save lives and reduce damage. Imagine warm tropical waters. The sun heats the ocean's surface. As the warm, moist air rises, it cools and condenses. This forms storm clouds and creates an area of low pressure. More air rushes in to replace the rising air. This cycle continues and the storm clouds begin to rotate. The Earth's rotation gives the storm its spin. As the storm intensifies, winds pick up speed. The swirling mass of clouds and rain becomes a powerful cyclone. It gathers strength over the warm ocean water. Australia has a long history of cyclones. Some have been particularly devastating. Cyclone Tracy in 1974 is one such example. It almost destroyed the city of Darwin in Northern Territory. Another notable cyclone was Cyclone Yasi in 2011. It hit Queensland with immense force. Yasi caused widespread damage to homes and crops. Cyclone Larry in 2006 and Cyclone George in 2007 also caused significant damage. These storms serve as stark reminders of Australia's vulnerability to cyclones. Section 4. Scars of the storm, the lasting impact of cyclones. The impact of a cyclone is long-lasting. It leaves behind a trail of devastation that can take years to recover from. The immediate aftermath is often the most chaotic, with homes destroyed, trees uprooted, and streets flooded. The immediate aftermath brings chaos and destruction. Streets are littered with debris, making it difficult for emergency services to reach those in need. The sheer scale of the destruction can be overwhelming. People lose their homes and belongings. Families are often displaced, forced to seek shelter in temporary accommodations. The loss of personal possessions can be heartbreaking. Essential services like electricity and water supply are disrupted. This can make daily life incredibly challenging as people struggle to access clean water and power. Repairing these services can take weeks or even months. The economic cost is enormous. Businesses are destroyed, leading to loss of income for many. The damage to infrastructure can set back economic development by years. Rebuilding infrastructure and communities takes time and resources. It requires a coordinated effort from government agencies, non-profits, and the affected communities themselves. The emotional toll on individuals and communities can be profound. The trauma of losing homes, loved ones, and a sense of security can have long-lasting effects on mental health. However, in the face of adversity, resilience shines through. People come together to support each other, showing incredible strength and solidarity. Communities come together to support each other. Volunteers distribute aid, and neighbors help neighbors rebuild their lives. They rebuild their lives and their towns. The journey to recovery is long, but the spirit of community and resilience ensures that they emerge stronger than before. Section 5. Staying ahead of the storm, preparedness and resilience. Cyclones are a fact of life in Australia. These powerful storms can cause significant damage to homes, infrastructure and the environment. The impact on communities can be devastating, but with the right measures we can mitigate these effects, but we can prepare for them. Preparation involves taking proactive steps to safeguard lives and property. Families can board up windows, secure outdoor items, and ensure they have enough supplies to last through the storm. Early warning systems give people time to evacuate. These systems are crucial in providing timely information, allowing residents to move to safer locations before the cyclone hits. Alerts can be received through smartphones, radios, and community sirens. Building codes help create stronger structures. Education is key. By adhering to strict building regulations, we can ensure that homes and buildings are more resistant to cyclone damage. Additionally, educating the public about cyclone safety can save lives. People need to understand the risks and how to stay safe during a cyclone. Community meetings and family discussions about emergency plans are essential. Knowing what to do and where to go can make a significant difference in an emergency. Having an emergency plan and kit is crucial. An emergency kit should include essentials like water, food, medications, and important documents. Being prepared can help families stay safe and comfortable during and after the storm. Australia continues to improve its cyclone preparedness and response. Government officials and emergency responders work tirelessly to develop and implement strategies that protect communities. Their efforts are vital in minimizing the impact of cyclones. By learning from past experiences, we can build more resilient communities. Rebuilding efforts focus on creating stronger, more durable structures that can withstand future storms. Community involvement is key to these efforts. We can minimize the impact of these powerful storms. Through preparedness, education, and resilience, we can protect our communities and ensure a safer future for everyone.